Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So before starting today, let me tell you that you will get all the solutions in the Telegram group. The link is given in the description and you will also find the link in the comment section. So do join it to get the solutions in C++ as well as in Java. So now let's start today's video. So today's GFG POTD is about finding missing in second array. Now let's find out how to solve this particular question. So the problem states that there are two arrays and we need to find the elements which are present in the first array but not present in the second array. So let's find out. So which are the elements that are not present in our second array? It is 4 and 10. Everything else is present in our second array. So we need to return this 4 and 10. Now, let's move to our approach. So the very first solution that comes to our mind is the using of for loop. So we will start a for loop for the first array, for array A, from 0 to n, 0 to n minus 1, and we will start our second for loop for our second array from 0 to m minus 1. After that, we will see if an element is not matching, then that means the element is not present in the second array. So we will return that element and you will get this as your output. But this won't work. Why? Because of the time complexity. We are instructed here that the time complexity should be big O of n plus m. But here it is big O of n cross m. So this won't work. So let's move to our next approach, that is using set method. So what we will do in this set method is we will first store our elements in the second array in our set, and after storing these elements we will find if the element in the first array is present or not in our second array, and if it is not present then we will just return it. So now what does set do? So set stores the data in sorted order and it stores unique elements. But here nothing is mentioned so that we have to return in the sorted order. So that means we have to return in the order in which they appear. So for that, what to use? We will use unordered set. Okay. So what does unordered set do? It stores unique value but does not store the element in sorted order. So we will store the elements of the second array in our unordered set. So it is first 2, then 3, then 1, then 0, then 5. We have stored these elements. The elements in the second array has been stored in our unordered set. So now what? We will find the elements. We will look for the elements if the elements in the first array is present in the unordered set or not. Is our 1 present in our unordered set? Let's look. Yes, it is present. So this is not the missing array. This is not the missing element. Now moving to our next element. It is 2. Is our 2 present in our set? Yes, it is present. So this is also not a missing element. Is our 3 present in the set? Yes, it is present. So this is also not missing element. Is our 4 present in the set? Okay, 4 is not present in our set. So that means one of our answer will have 4. Now, is our 5 present in the set? Yes, it is present in the set. Is our 10 present in our set? No, we can't find 10 in our set. So, our answer will include 10 also. So, this is the answer we will return. See, the output is matching. Now, let's move to our implementation of the code. So, let's implement the code now. So, we will take our vector answer. After that, we will use unordered set and push all the elements of the second array in our unordered set. Now what? Run a loop from 0 to n minus 1 and see if the element is present in our set or not. If it is pointing to the last, then that means we have not got our this element in our first array. So this is the element that is missing. So just push into our vector. Now return. So we are getting our correct output. The compilation is completed. Now let's submit. Okay, so the problem has been solved successfully. So let's end the video here. But before that, do subscribe the channel to get similar content, as gaining a subscriber and a like in my videos does motivates me a lot to be consistent and create more such content. So do subscribe, like and share with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys again tomorrow.